lucky day. A ride!
What the?
How do?
Where you headed?
On my way to sunny California, sir.
Sunny California, huh? Well, hop in.
Lucky day. We'll be going to California when we go. We'll be going to California when we go. When we go. We'll be going to California. We'll be going to California. We'll be going to California when we go. Well, looks like we're walking. So, what you gonna do when you get to California, Mr. Boyd?
I don't know.
Me? I've got it all figured out. I'm gonna give you a wife. Settle down and have some grubs.
Yeah, that sounds pretty good. I'll probably do something like that too. That's it. I'm dying. Right here. Right now. Check the map.
Yeah, check the map. You're lost. Good night, Mr. Boyd.
We're dead. Stranded with no bread or water. Doomed to starve. At least it's not my fault. Ooh, I cannot say I like you, Mr. Lame.
Well then, I know just what should be done. If you're gonna make it to California, you're gonna need some nourishment, believe me, boy. Some more relish on your hot dog? How's about a nice big glass of juice? Come, Mr. Boyd, take of the fruit, if you can.
It's breakfast time!
Breakfast? That sounds great!
I'm saved! I'm saved!
Stomach fluid. Disgusting.
Huh?
Must hold need hand.
Oh, Mr. Lime!
Hey! Why are you chasing me?
Because I'm starving.
Starving? I have seen this before, and I think I can help you.
Thank you, Doctor. Thank you.
What you need is a German Shepherd.